Welcome to Workspace Tips. Do you switch between Google Drive and Google Sheets just to organize or upload your files? Meet Drive Explorer Pro, your all-in-one tool. List, preview, upload, and manage Google Drive files. Let us dive into the video. To get started, first install the Drive Explorer Pro. You can find the link in the pinned comment. Just click on it and install the extension. Let us see how to upload files to Drive and list them in Sheets. Open the Drive Explorer Pro from the Extension tab. Drive Explorer Pro sidebar will default to Upload Files tab, the area that says Drag and Drop Files here, or click to select Files lets you upload files. You can either drag and drop your files into it, or click it to choose files from your computer. After selecting, check the box to preview the image. This only applies if you've selected image files, and also rearrange the selected files order before uploading and listing. Once the files are selected, click the Upload Files to Drive and List in Sheets button to upload them to Google Drive and automatically list them in your sheet. Once uploaded, the URL and other attributes will appear directly in your sheet. If you want to customize which attributes are listed, you can configure them in the List Files tab. You can also rearrange the order of the attributes. After the files are uploaded and listed, you can share this detailed sheet as you need. By configuring the Settings tab, you can control file access as needed. For example, choosing anyone with the link will allow you to share the selected files publicly. This saves time by allowing you to upload and list files at once. With Drive Explorer Pro, you can manage all your Google Drive files without ever leaving Sheets. With Drive Explorer Pro, your data stays safe and secure. It only accesses the files you choose, not your entire drive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips with Google Workspace. Thanks for watching. Do watch our other video, how to list files from a Google Drive folder in Google Sheets.